For part 2 of the lab, we're going to be burning some iron. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we are going to place a weigh boat on our balance. This is because we never place things directly on the balance. We always use something to mass them with. So I've placed my weigh boat on the balance, and it has a mass of 2.2 grams, which I'm going to write on my data table. Then I have a piece of iron wool right here. We can see that it kind of has this grayish texture looking very similar to the magnesium. I'm going to put it in the weigh boat, and we can see that now we have a mass of 3.15. By subtracting the empty weigh boat from the weigh boat with the iron wool, you will be able to calculate the mass of the iron wool required on your data table. Next up, we are going to burn our piece of iron wool. So we're going to take it over to our Bunsen burner, and we are going to put it inside the Bunsen burner and watch what happens. Oh, so we can see that it turns the flame a color. We can also see that the iron wool changes color as we burn it. You can see that it is glowing a nice orange color. But you can also see that once it comes out from the flame, it has turned a much darker color than it was before. And that is because, just like our magnesium, as we burn our iron wool, it is also undergoing a chemical reaction. So now that we have fully burned our iron wool, we're going to set it right at the base of our ring stand. For those of you who want to see what I'm talking about, you can see that we have two different colors here. Where my tongs were, it was unable to be burned. So that's the original iron, and that is the burned iron wool. So we're going to let that cool for a second. Now that our iron is cooled, we're ready to go back to our balance. We once again still have the weigh boat on the balance, and we are now going to add our new product to it. And this time we have a mass of 3.37. If you subtract the weigh boat out from this new mass, you will be able to figure out the mass of the iron wool product. Then you have some more questions to answer.